everyone, it's Sherry with Handmade You. Today we are doing a Snowperson ornament. So, inside your kit, you have a clear ornament. You have some fluffy snow. And then you have a face for a snow person. Okay? So here's what we're going to do. First, you're going to ask an adult to help you remove the ornament top, okay? So you can pause this video and go grab that adult. Unpause it as soon as you get back. Hey adult. All right, so to remove this cap, if you've never done this before, okay, you're going to actually, I'm going to hold this metal part here. I'm going to hold it in my fingers and I'm going to pinch. We're going to pinch these metal prongs together, and you want to pinch it and pull it up slowly. If you don't pull it slowly, it could snap on you, okay? So you want to pinch and pull it out slowly. You can stop there and then just put that to the side. While I have you here, let me just point out that the sticker face, is going to be a lot easier for the kids to put on their ornament because of the curved edges if you cut the pieces apart for them. This is optional, but I just wanted to give you that heads up while I had your attention. All right? Don't worry, adult, we'll need you again to put it back on. So hang out, okay? Hang around. So the next step is to add the snow to your ornament. So go ahead and open your fluffy white snow. And you want to take a small piece of it and kind of roll it in your fingers. And then stuff it inside of the ornament, okay? So keep doing this until your ornament is full, as full as you want it to be. So once your ornament is full, go ahead and ask your adult to come back and help you put the top back on. To put the top back on, you'll place the metal frame on the cap, but you notice it won't stay on, so you might have to hold it with your fingers a little bit. So you'll just have to kind of manipulate your hand and your wrist to get what feels comfortable for you. Then the next thing that you're going to do is you have to squeeze this and pinch it together again. And then you want to slowly drop it down and it'll go back into place. And that's it. Okay? All right, so at this point, we're ready to attach our snow person's face to the front of our ornament. Now, each of us has a unique face. None of the faces are the same. This is a sticker, so you're going to peel the face right off of the paper, and then you're going to add it to the front of your ornament, like so. Once you stick it on, you're going to rub it down and get it to stick. Because the ornament is not flat, you may end up with a couple bubbles or wrinkles. Just try to work them out towards the end. Hey everyone, so I just wanted to show you as another option. You could cut your sticker into pieces. So I cut these eyes off. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut this arm. And I'm cutting my nose. I would definitely have an adult help me do this, but it will help you to get the stickers on here easier without having to struggle. So now I'm just gonna take my eyes off. And I'm sticking my eyes on. Easy peasy. Stuck my eyes on, okay? Now I'm going to stick the mouth on. There it is. I'm going to stick my mouth about down here. Okay. Now I'm going to put my nose on. Whoops, sorry. Put my nose on. Let's see. Do I want it to go that way? I think so. Okay. And then last but not least, this fun hand is over here. So I'm definitely going to stick that on. Put that right over there. Awesome. Okay. So that is another way to add the stickers to make it a little bit easier for you. There it goes. So that's my snow person, everyone. So at this point, I'll probably add a ribbon to the top, and then I'll go and put it on my tree. Or if I wanted to give this as a gift to someone that I love, I would wrap it up in a box and give it to someone as a gift. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have fun making your snow person. And we will talk to you later. All right? So stay crafty, y'all.